공감사 다 속대 두번들라 and dilution of asset tang any kare strength of asset or dini colony dishigani any tangbodi dilution of assets the tuwa dilution of assets and bases like the dilution that dilution like the asset base asset strong base strong base any weak asset weak base base ni strong base weak base strong asset weak asset ni the strong assets are those assets which dissociates completely in water to give hydrogen ion. Strong assets. Strong base are those base which dissociates completely to give out hydroxide ion. They are called as a strong base. The strong assets, strong base are weak acid and weak base. These are weak acids are those acids which dissociate partially to give out hydrogen ion. They are considered as a weak acids. And weak base are those base which dissociates partially to give out hydrogen ion. So completely dissociate to go. This dissociate to go. That is a strong acid mineral acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, or the strong acids. Strong base sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and magnesium hydroxide. Or the strong base. Any weak acid, acetic acid, the organic acids. Weak base ammonium hydroxide. The weak base. The strong acid, weak acid, dissociations of iron. Okay, the strong acid strong base these strong acids and strong base, they are again of say two types. Type concentrated acid and dilute acid. Concentrated base and dilute base. That the concentration the number of ions present in per unit volume. The hydrogen ion any hydroxide ion any concentrated any dilute this. That penetration bigger water 100 ml 100 ml. That when we add acids, acid add this acid will completely dissociate and gives lots and lots of hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion hydrogen ion that per unit volume 100 ml 100 ml. That acid acid that digital acid what happens if we increase this? If we add this to another beaker, bigger change. They'll 400 ml. 400 ml Oh, the nature dig 100 ml the ganza dinner luna. Dig 100 ml the ganza dinner luna. Any day Karchatusna and Karchatusna 500 ml. 500 ml that the acid the Karchas. The iron decreases by increasing the volume of water. Water the volume the increase the iron concentration the Karchaso decrease per volume decrease such a process is called as a dilution. The day you want to get dilution Yes. Na jibujikan acids are the strong base strong base in water no lusuna hydroxide ion produce hydroxide ion OH ion OH ion which produce the OH ion the produce 100 ml per unit volume. That the unit volume the increase in 500 galley and the OH ion the young kora such a manga chila pattern tameg delay in the cook nubody ma chatu is iron get nubody ma chai could dilute acids, strong acid, right? And chukazu nyunga yune becomes a concentrated, chukazu manga yune becomes a karsasana dilute. This is called as a dilution. Dilution of acids and base. Acids and base ke dilution di dila gore. The dilution di cheda dile yan there are some methods. Right, method yore where you have to add acids or base to the water. There are water la acid the base pa add china and it's okay. The digger the strong acid strong base the space it gets distributed throughout the water. So there is no problem at all. Now in case if you add say water to the acids acid nanglo water che add chigochida tiki manga dikharu na acid acid na water dux add chigota lamsa it is highly exothermic. The highly exothermic reaction takes place over here. That there are exothermic reaction, highly exothermic. That water unity acid lose on the back of the chart. Oh, like that. Then she that water chi karjisuna acid ka achisuna any dig karchigresuna any exothermic and could you it will become instant hot and it will splash all over the area changma la ya pa torch any kanye yeyung gi sama acid the base ki kanye take just never add water to acids or base. Whenever you are doing conducting any kind of experiment, do remember that acids and base should be added to the water but not the water to the acids or base. Water the acid the base just remember these things in your mind. So on this topic, dilution of acids and base. Teacher. Now next one is the strength of acids. Acid ki strength the condition teacher. Yes. Strength of acids and base. Acids the base ki strength the communication. We have lots and lots of indicators like universal indicators like methyl orange, phenolphthalein, any litmus or the when we use those say indicators, at that time we can know that the substance contains acids or substance contains base only, but we don't know the strength of acids. Acid is strength also get shingi that there are conditions disigulisina manzogi acid ki strength shela ra acid chikda ko shukchelu acid kharlu la ra base kharlu la this shela strength of acid shela. There is another universal indicator known as pH indicator la pH indicator like D, it is found in terms of strips and in terms of solution. Called strips layer. Strips layer solution. Just a pH solution layer, pH strips layer. Along with that, you are provided with a colorful chart. Colorful chart ke nyamdo te. pH strip nyamdo khokora colorful chart te pH solution nyamdo colorful chart so that we can compare the color to understand the pH. pH the on the halfway. pH la hydrogen potential on the halfway. Chesa pH la universal indicator the condensate. Universal indicator pH la the soya dinangola ganzo ki methyl orange lure, methyl red lure, phenolphthalein lure, litmus lure, and then she sodium compound in the lure, sodium hydroxide lure, the negi mango huge look cheni and kokharcharsna, the negi any solvent share. The universal solvent digi any kharcharsna and kokana range mango huge. Chesa pH range from 0 to say 14. 0 ne 14 padre. You know 1 ne 14 padre. Your age. pH range considers na pH range the say 0 ne go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. pH range the dictionary. That's as a on the pH range the dictionary. 0 ne 14 0 ne 14. As a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 14. The pH range the 7 like the any neutral pH. 7 like the cultures na neutral. Neutral chart. The dine ya color the ya do sing chine any pagil bat ko ngombo chart blue. Ya color cultures na blue la ya touch. Dine mama on color the cultures na red convert chart. Red lingiela orange or the destin yelling blue lingiela green that the gets in and it's color to change. Right. The neutral the pH the 7 the neutral. Chesa the dinner pH range the acid. Right. Acid below 7, less than 7. 7 less than 7 digit sangma acidic more than 7 digit sangma basic. Strong base are there at pH 14. Strong acids are there as pH 1, 2 and 0, right? And then weak acids are there with pH 4, 5, 6. Rather weak acids are there at the pH 4, 5, 6 and weak base are there at pH 8, 9 and 10. Above this strong base, below this strong acids. All in pH strong base, weak base. That the weak acid. Strong acid. Strong acid, weak base, strong base. All the pH and reading the total decision. The pH ki acid range yimba. Acid mangyung hazatu. Pena two decay chela below 5.5 5.5 and it will start decaying our teeth. Rather, teeth decay just acid is central to just neutralize shell, weak base neutralize. Strong acids are neutralized completely by strong base, and weak acids are neutralized completely by weak base. But weak base and strong acids, strong acid and weak base any neutralized partially neutralized, but the solution salt which is more say acidic. Strong base tang weak acid it neutralizes, but the salt is more basic. Or the chapter. Chesa there's a ionization pagi the mangyun the neutralized chapter. Any acid chiki hydrogen ion mangu produce gore, base hydroxide ion mangu produce. Hydroxide ion gets neutralized by hydrogen to form water. And salt dige korazo combine chichene salt chatuda. Shares all duxene and the kachasna and the strength of acids duxen hakugre and the negita pH the pH paper tang pH solution yobda china and the liquid chikio and dinangola paper lugos and paper color color you paper charting pH charting neta chene and you can understand the pH strength of the acid. You will come to know about the strength of acid by using pH paper or pH solution only. Otherwise, there are many indicators which only indicates whether the substance is acidic or basic. Only to indicate. In a pH, the strength of acids are known. So the range of the strength of acid is from 1 to 14. 1 to 14 for the urine, and this range. And below 7, it is acid, above 7, more than 7, it is base, and 7, it is neutral. 7 is neutral. Chazan neutral ki cases la khari ine and ko subuda sukam da khari ine debo yunga ta plant zishin ke de zo ine yapu yunga ta and the neutral yunga. Chaza this is all about the strength of the acids and base. Chaza nyiki dela strength of acid and base ta dilution of acids and base chene and yetso de de